Palangi, Kipunjes, new cream biscuits. So creamy with every bite.
Ya benar turun nomor nomor lewa bikin tempat kia nama tak di bawah tapi sini kuat.
Iya.
Bukan baru tak kia na buku ni Ouch Palangi Show.
Dono minak sarka.
Iya.
And beto ko minak ni Punjos new cream biscuits so creamy in every bite.
Iya.
And mataka minak ni kuat. Andra bandu tan bikin ni sama tumai and non to be korbo biti. Bikin ni mana koron itu tali tak tu bunin dorong atau soni tal no apa Palangi.
Iya.
And be mataka tu sar already turang atau samun ni riri minak na matara na mataka ni kuat.
Hey, firstly, well, good morning to you all. Tuning in from the live stream of VTFM.
All right.
Likewise, the tuning in of the live VTFM Facebook page in this wonderful morning. This morning is very
Tremendous.
good weather.
We are going live also on YouTube, Sam.
Oh, hey, Bulabinaka to all of us tuning in on YouTube channel.
All right.
Some of us, they put the screen, the big screen, and play the live from the big screen.
All right.
So good morning. Some of us,
Yeah.
some of them they put us like this, up like this,
Alright.
and we will sit up like this and look down to them,
Right.
and
Yeah.
say hi to them in this morning.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in on VTFM.
Right.
Ada benar bikin na kata benar koro bikin na mai tahu tu lebih tolong di salin yang di mata binaka bikin na lubi biti.
Right.
Di sama cuma baya we ada benar turun night meli ada levo serai.
Iya.
Baka kina be kuri dibi ada benar kata tali ko. Ni bagan ramai ni tu kuna mai na pono ni porong belum bikin.
Dono benar.
Begitu orang kay bagan relation ni bikin ni.
Right.
Ada non bisa mati boleh na mata kabinang ni kuah.
Right.
And to all the
Hi.
kids, to
Yeah.
all the children
School
inside
bus.
the bus, school
Yeah.
bus. He's a driver. Thank you so much for taking good care
Right.
of all the children so that they reach safe
Yeah.
to all the school
Right.
in this wonderful morning. Some of them are kindergarten.
Right.
Some of them are primary school, class 1 to 8.
Right.
Some of them are 7 to
right.
3 to
7 to 1.
7.
Iya.
He's,
If you care, I care.
if you care, you care.
Right.
But you know what?
Yeah.
Some of them, they get off the bus.
Yeah.
Hey,
Dina.
children, you should know that sign.
Right.
Iya Dina.
Stop,
Right.
look,
Right.
and what, Mika?
And go.
Go.
Right.
And cross.
And cross.
Yeah, that's the proper
If the road is clear, then you cross.
Hey, level boy.
Ada benar teli Savoli o Mosi Newton ada benar mai Wellington mai New South Wales ngo.
Right.
Oi sandina. Ang mantang Wellington mai New South Wales.
Iya, Wellington talaga maybe.
Oh,
New
New
South
South
Wales.
Wales?
Iya, New South Wales. Sige talaga na Ellington.
Oi.
Iya.
Baru mereka Vili ada benaka o teli Savoli ada benaka mai na Sugar City.
Right.
Dilia Mere ada benaka o Tico.
Dono binaka.
Dokana Isubongo.
Right.
O Sketch Rokongo.
Hey, Scats.
Luke Tuimbure.
Right.
Listening from UK.
Right.
Oh, hey.
Pamulo man ba UK?
Hey, UK is English.
Oh, okay.
Bani sudu mai lambasa.
Right.
You know this place? Elisapedi.
Somebody sudu may Lambasa.
Right.
It's near the hospital.
Oh.
Okay.
The Lambasa hospital, the big hospital in Lambasa.
Yeah.
That
Hospitality.
is near Ambani Sudu.
Right.
Okay, na very heights of Sabu.
Hey, Nabere Heights of Sabu.
You know that place?
Yeah, a bit.
Okay.
But
Oh.
there.
Yeah.
Ikaw sama intindi ito isuba.
No, go ahead.
Dor na may noyala may toko may tabua,
Right.
mga ano may pango-pango o nawanga.
Right.
Bulmo na kanong geto?
Hey, Atu,
Oh.
someone asking, where's that matalanji-lanji fella?
Okay, they may sick today. So he can make it this morning.
Yeah.
So Samu in place of the Messi, we have Samu this morning. Okay, Samu tala man nga pati ni Romy Bonoli burundong mati na tala no, eh?
Right,
No,
right,
because
right.
Messi,
Yeah.
one side is my brother,
Oi,
and one side is my brother-in-law.
Oi,
ito bali? Oi.
so you can marry him?
Mary Melala. Yeah, because the father,
Yeah.
you know, Father Akula Tambalo,
Yeah.
he loved to outside.
Oi, don't mind we come do.
Yes, that's the proper way, Mika.
All right,
Yeah.
right.
Oh, your father, okay, Father Tambalo
Yeah, them is brother.
is married to your...
Cousin sister.
Cousin sisters.
Oh, okay.
Cousin sisters, bisa tahu ko.
Ikaw mo tuko na nga, Father Tambalo
Yeah.
loves me. Tuko na nga ba ya?
Loves me.
Ikaw mo tuko na nga ba ya?
Yeah, often Tambalo somehow
Yeah.
we tapale both side.
Oi.
Yeah.
Sa libo ka na numero sa libo ka.
Iyo.
Okay,
So,
yeah.
you and them is tabali.
Me and them is tapale
Yeah.
because of Father Akula Tambalo.
Right.
Right.
Muri traffic to Malongo no sorry to Suba and there na kana turanga John na Yodori.
Boleh benaka.
Andro era na kimrao
Isa.
bakaki na be Sista Demesio.
Iya.
John Kumar.
Right.
Mengakiri Obi Chochi Osia Chochi na tonga na matang ko. Okay. Our story this morning.
Okay, so this girl, this
Fijian.
Itoke girl, Fijian girl,
Yeah,
right.
he came to first UNUSP,
Yeah, right.
Oi.
University of the South Pacific,
Uh-uh.
and there's a lot of the Pacific Islanders students there.
Right.
And he met this guy from PNG.
Oi.
Oh, one talks, yeah?
Kumuls.
Kumuls, yeah. And he met this PNG, and they start to make love.
Oi, how?
Make love?
Siya nga may boyfriend girlfriend.
Yes,
Make
boyfriend,
love.
girlfriend.
Gori, isa chika sarila mo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, boyfriend, girlfriend. And then somehow
Yeah.
they are good in this relationship.
Oi, okay.
Every day,
Right.
because he's a PNG,
Yeah.
he got everything.
Yeah.
He got money.
Oi.
He stay in the hostel.
Yeah.
Oi, okay.
He eat in a nice restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Expensive one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this girl,
Yeah.
when he saw that,
Yeah.
he want to be like that too.
Okay.
But the problem is,
Yeah.
no money.
Oh, no man in the girl.
No money in the girl.
That-
And every time,
Yeah.
this girl
Yeah.
ask for...
The girl from where? Lebu?
Not from Bonolebu. From the other side, from Boa, this side. Yeah. And every time,
Yeah.
this boy,
Yeah.
this particular person
Right.
from
Yeah.
PNG,
Right.
used to take this girl
Right.
as his girlfriend.
Right.
Take her to dinner date every day.
Oh.
Shit.
Every day he can spend 100, 200.
So in the
300.
morning, the Fijian girl go by bus or
In the
taxi?
morning,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
There's a driver.
Oi.
The
Pick up.
girl got her own driver
Okay,
to
okay.
pick her up from where she stay,
Yeah.
and drop her in school.
Yeah.
Oi.
At afternoon,
Yeah.
pick and drop. After that, when she at
Pick and
home,
drop.
Yeah.
then another taxi come
Oi.
to pick her up for the restaurant.
Oi.
And after that, it's
Yeah.
like a program to them. Eh?
PNG.
It's like a program to them.
The PNG fellow want to surprise her because she came all the way from, you know,
From PNG.
North.
Yeah, want to give that all, not north,
Yeah.
from all that thing, eh?
Right.
All that
He want to
dondomos.
show his love.
Yeah, show his love.
He's true to the
He's
Fijian
true,
girl.
his loyalty.
Right.
And everything, patience.
Yeah.
And after sometimes, the girl was like,
Whenever the girl wants to lalakete.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Eh?
No, because the girl was like when they on their relationship,
Yeah.
the girl was like eating the bonbon.
Oi.
After some time, that bonbon is the
Finish.
The sweetness.
The sweetness
Yeah.
is finished,
Right.
and now the girl want to play around.
Oh.
Oh, yung baltangan nila po.
Because of the money.
One
Yeah,
level.
right.
No, not on level.
Yeah.
Same time, baby,
Yeah. Oi.
baby, I want to go out with my friend. Can you just give me $100?
Oh, no.
Ooh,
Not even $20.
not even $10.
Dapon ng Korea, yan ra.
For what? No, I want to go out with my friends.
Right.
Please, baby, and the PNG respond, eh?
The boyfriend.
Please, baby, the boyfriend. Please, baby, baby.
The PNG naman din too.
And the boyfriend respond, please, baby, can I come?
Yeah.
I just come and give you the money or
Right.
to see your friends and meet your friends. No, baby, no.
Yeah.
Don't come. You just M-Pesa the money.
Yeah.
Same
This is the
time.
girls' night out only.
Yeah, because of the love, the Tomo,
Yeah.
same time the boy sent the money.
Yeah.
$100. The next day,
Yeah.
this was like on Friday.
Yeah.
On Saturday,
Yeah.
the girl want to go out again. And the girl
Yeah.
boasting around to the friends. Wait, my boyfriend, he can give me
Give
any
me
amount.
this, give me that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
give me this, give me that.
Yeah.
See this watch, see this shoes. It's from him.
Yeah.
And the next Saturday,
The ring.
Yeah.
Friday, no ring.
Oi.
Friday and Saturday,
Yeah.
he asked one big amount.
Oi. Right.
Atos laki.
Yes, baby.
Yeah.
Can you just give me $250?
Uh-uh.
For what? No, my friends, they want to go out clubbing.
Oh, yeah.
I want to go with them, but I don't have money.
Yeah.
Because of the love,
Yeah.
he empezó $250.
Oi.
Same time.
Same time.
Ah.
The girl went out drinking, come back home.
Yeah.
Mocha.
Yeah.
Full sleep in the
Damage
morning.
the life.
Yeah.
Damage the life. Full sleep in the morning. The stomach start to bubble.
Okay.
Bubble up.
Hey.
Bubble.
Yeah.
And he called the baby.
Ah.
Now the baby.
Call again.
Call again.
Uh-uh.
Boy,
Yeah.
Friday nga,
Yeah.
Saturday,
Yeah.
and
Sunday again. Ah.
Yeah.
And she used to eat in a big restaurant. Eh?
Right.
She used to, and she
Tapu
said,
City.
Tapu City and everything.
Nakakarosuliw.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Baby,
Yeah.
please, can you in the morning. Baby, please. When you say baby, please, same time that boy have respond. Don't call me baby. You're not my baby anymore. Baby, please, I'm hungry. Can you just send me $60?
Atau sombu.
Loa. $60? No. Why? What happened? Baby, I'm really hungry. Can you just send me $60 now? See, I'm not a baby anymore. If you can feed yourself, don't make love. Don't make love because relationship is not a restaurant. You know what? Now, if you come home now, all the mosquito coil around me and the mosquito net here, you are mosquitoes.
Nawalem sarap.
Isa, sombo. Wala ka sa PNC.
Ala ka sarap maramataw.
Sarang itu kan mau turangan sa my baby girl.
Iya.
I become a mosquito now.
Iya. You no longer my baby girl.
No, what I'm making, because I come from maybe you walk here.
Right.
Put a distance and then ask,
Right.
She
doesn't know the trick. She doesn't know the trick.
She doesn't know the trick.
Because he came all the way from Vonolem. It's very far away. Ya sarang na mo na fail kino maramataw. Ato ka na ngato na PNG. Kaya makakala ka beke. Aw sa naman nga limis ang mulo kuminam. And don't go to no mulo. Palata na mo bugi sama ka sarang na namo. Dapat sarang Punches new cream biscuits so creamy in every bite. Ano mo kundi bito ko ni chikubi kaya dito ni marutaka na ouch palang show na mataka binang ko katali taka dono mo likes. Shataka. Anong page ko lang na. Mer sarap talaga mo friends.
Dono ba ka McFarlane Road bukan ni binakan buru beto kan na mataka ni bingar ni kuwa.
Right.
Tronga me do na mataka ni mataka maro chikun bula.
Right.
Sama cuma sali ka kamburai ko na Vita FM go kurumundo.
Mika galon bula.